Welcome student. This is our part 1 of class 6 science materials around us. This contains 25 MCQs from 1 to 25. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular notification. Let's start. What is matter? And correct answer is A. Anything that can has mass and occupy space. Which one of the following is not an example of matter? And the correct answer is B. Light. What is the main purpose of classifying material? And the correct answer is B. To study their properties easily. Which of the following materials is an example of solid? And the correct answer is C. Pebble. Which property is not commonly used to classify material? And the correct answer is C. Volume. Which material is classified based on its transparency? And the correct answer is B. Glass. How do we classify animal? And the correct answer is C. Based on their habitat and feature. What type of material can be stretched without breaking? And the correct answer is B. Elastic. What do we call materials that allow light to pass through them completely? And the correct answer is A. Transparent. Which of the following is a classification criteria for rock? And the correct answer is D. Hardness. Why do we classify material? And the correct answer is B. To organize their properties. Which of the following material is elastic? Correct answer is A. Rubber band. What is the classification of plant based on? Correct answer is C. Structure. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called. And the correct answer is B. Opaque. Which property of metal allow to be hammered into thin sheet? And the correct answer is C. Malleability. Which material is considered transparent? And the correct answer is C. Clear water. Why is not a criteria for classifying plant? And the correct answer is D. Color of flower. Materials that allow some light to pass through them are called. And the correct answer is C. Translucent. Why are glass windows considered transparent? Correct answer is A. They allow light to pass through them. Which of the following can be classified as a material that conduct electricity? And the correct answer is C. Which of the following material is a good insulator of heat? And the correct answer is B. Plastic. Materials that do not conduct heat are called. And the correct answer is C. Insulators. What is a key characteristic of a solid? And the correct answer is A. It has a definite shape. Which of the following can be characterized as non-living but made up of living material? Correct answer is A. Cotton. And the last question, question number 25. Which property of a matter help us in measuring how much space it occupies? And the correct answer is D. Volume. Thanks for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular update. Thank you.